Okay, so imagine I say, today I'm going to make an ESP32 project. But, I will not write even one single line of code myself. No, I will not open the Arduino IDE. No, I will not install any libraries. And no, I will not fix any syntax errors. I will just write my idea in plain, simple words. And the AI will generate the complete code for me. Today, we are going to test this AI tool. Let's see if it really works. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to test a new AI hardware coding platform from Seeed Studio. It is called CodeCraft. If you have a hardware idea but don't know where to start, you can try CodeCraft for free using the link below. Simply describe what you want to build and see how AI can help you turn your ideas into a working device. First, open Google and search for CodeCraft. From the search results, click on the first official link for the CodeCraft website. Once the website opens, you will see an interface like this. If you are using it for the first time, just log in with your Seeed Studio account. I am already logged in, so my dashboard opened up directly. The coolest thing about CodeCraft is that it compiles your code right inside your browser. You don't need to install any separate development environment. And you don't have to manually install any libraries either. Everything works online, right in your browser. So today, I am going to test CodeCraft myself and see how well it really works. Right now, CodeCraft officially supports only a few Seeed Studio boards with deep integration. These include XIAO Terminal, Xiao ESP32-S3 Sense, Grove Beginner Kit. But for now, I have the Xiao ESP32-S3 Sense with me. And that is what we are using today. This is a very powerful development board. It comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, ESP32-S3 chip, and support for AI applications as well. Before we start, I already have a complete beginner's guide on the Xiao ESP32-S3 Sense, where I explain its specifications, pinout, onboard camera, microphone, and key features in detail. If you're new to this board, be sure to check out the link in the video description. Now, let's start with the simplest project. LED blink. So, first I will select my board. As soon as I do that, it will show up here automatically. I'm using Xiao ESP32-S3 Sense. Next to that, there is a prompt box. Here, I will write my instruction in simple words. Blink the LED on for 1 second, off for 1 second, repeating. Then I just press send. And the processing starts. After a few seconds, an option appears on the side. Connect and flash. I click on that. But before clicking, make sure your board is already connected to your PC or laptop. Then, a port will show up here. I select the correct port and click on Connect. Once the flashing is complete, you will see Success right here. And look at that, the small built-in LED on the Xiao ESP32-S3 Sense is successfully blinking. So, that was super easy. No coding, no errors, just a simple prompt and it worked. Now, let's make the project a little more interesting. I am connecting a common cathode RGB LED. Here is how I am connecting it. Red GPIO D0. Green GPIO D1. Blue GPIO D2. Common connected to GND. Once the connections are done, I will write my prompt. I will write red LED on GPIO D0, green LED on GPIO D1, blue LED on GPIO D2. Turn on red for 2 seconds, then turn on green for 2 seconds, then turn on blue for 2 seconds. Repeat this forever. Then I simply click send. CodeCraft will generate the code, compile it, and flash it to the board. And you can also copy this code if you want. That's really nice. Because sometimes we want to see what the AI has generated. Understand it. Or even change it a little for our project. So CodeCraft gives us this option too. Which is super useful. And just like that, the RGB LED will start cycling through red, green, and blue, each staying on for 2 seconds, and it will keep repeating forever. The RGB LED is working perfectly. My first impression is really good. CodeCraft seems like a very useful tool for beginners. Especially for those who are just learning Arduino programming. And even experienced makers can use it for very fast rapid prototyping. But this was just the beginning. In the next video, we will build camera projects, microphone projects, AI projects, and even a voice assistant, all through CodeCraft. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.